what up, guys? Josh Diaz with a unboxing and setup of the HomePod Mini in that nice yellow right there. This is going to be set up in the office here at the house. So let's just unbox this. So this is available for $100. You can get 2 of these and create a stereo pair. You can hook these up to your Apple TV if you want to get some audio. So here we go. Off the top here, and this is the device right here. You see this nice yellow. The top here is white. Bottom here, I'm assuming it's gonna be yellow too. Yeah. This rubber grip here is yellow, so it doesn't slip on any surface you put it on. And we have the wire itself is yellow. Why couldn't this be yellow? Messed up. Okay. So let's put that here aside. I do like it though. Kind of, it pops. So here we got some protective stuff. Got the paperwork, Apple sticker, nice, and we have the white plug. This couldn't be yellow either. Okay, so it is a USB-C plug, which is pretty cool. So you just plug it in. So I'm gonna show you the setup process, and we're gonna set this baby up, see how she works. So she is ready to get paired, and there you go, pops up right on my phone. HomePod Mini, hit setup, and we do this. All right, so this will be the office. Okay, so we have a HomePod update in progress. So it is updating. Once it's done, I'm gonna just play some music, see how this sounds. Okay, we are all set up. Downloaded the new software. It's ready to go. You see, one of the nice features I like, if you bring your iPhone close, you could play any music, start anything you want. So right here on the top, you do have the touch panel here. You could touch it to activate, you know who, I don't want to say it, to activate anything. You got the volume rockers if you want to raise and lower the volume. Like I said, you have this bottom grip here to keep it from sliding. You know, with the bass rattling, it could slide over time. So this keeps it nice and steady. So let's play something royalty free. You can just see how this sounds. Bass is bumping. So you can hold. You don't have to keep tapping to raise it or lower it. And to stop it, just simple tap. And to play it again, just do all that. So this little speaker does pack a big punch. You heard in that first song, that bass, it was rocking, and it sounded good. So yeah, $100. It's not too bad for the small speakers. Let me know what you think. I'm really digging this color. Let me know in the comments what you guys think of this yellow. I'm really feeling it. But that'll be all for me. As you saw, simple setup process, 1, 2, 3. Just have your iPhone nearby and you're all good. Guys, check you later. Have a great day. Peace.